Alright everyone, Bernie here, out on a hunt, on a yard permission. Been finding lots and lots of wheat pennies through here. Had a spill back that way with 147 nickel. But I got a silver for the day. It's still in the clump there. Let's see if I can see what it is. It's a Roosevelt. It was a 1951 Rosie with no mint mark. Awesome. This yard's got me on the board. I'm hopeful. Let's see what's next. Alright folks, it's been about an hour since my last silver. Pulled up quite a few Wheaties, including some S-mints. But I got another silver in the hole. Haven't pulled it out of here yet, but I can see it. Definitely a Roosevelt, a Denver. This one's a 1950. And, oh, look at this. Look at this down in the hole there, too. There's a Wheatie. It's got to be a Wheatie anyway. Yeah, it's a wheat. And it is a 1955. Sweet. Let's see if there's anything else here. I don't think there is anything else, but good find, silver number 2. And a Wheatie. Let's see what's next. Alright, I'm back again over another hole. Still pulling wheats out like crazy. Thought I had another one. And here it's really tiny. It looked like maybe a dime, but it was smaller than a dime even. It's got a nice green patina on it. It's something foreign. There's a 1 and maybe some leaves on the side. It says Island Eyrir. E-Y-R-I-R. And on the back there's a crest and some wheat ears. And it says 1953. That's something I didn't expect to find today. Alright, let's see what's next. Alright, here I am over another hole. And I got my third silver. It's a war nickel. Ooh, where are you going? Don't fall. It is a 1945 Philadelphia. That's number 3 for today. Let's see what's next. Alright everybody, I got silver number 4 for today. 1943 war nickel. I scratched the hell out of it though. It's coming up like a pull tab and dang it. But it is a Philadelphia. There's a P on the top there. It's not too bad of a scratch, but bad enough. Well, number 4. Let's see what's next. Alright everybody, I'm having a great day here at this house. I got silver number 5. My third war nickel for today is a 1944 Philadelphia. I got lucky I did not scratch this one. That's awesome. Number 5 silver. See what's next. Alright everyone, Bernie here. Finished up that side yard, got everything all cleaned up, and what a day, what a day, what a day. Let's get started with the clad. I got 11 copper pennies, 3 zincs, 1 newer nickel, 3 dimes, and a quarter. And as for the way junk goes, I got a pair of needle nose pliers. That looks like a brass bottle stopper, some type of gas fitting. I got the full load of a 38 special. This thing here says Super X35 Remington on the bottom of it. I got a really nice gas valve, what's left of a wind-up, and a little plastic poodle. It was actually in the hole with a wheat penny. Pendant with a P on it that says Penny, copper button, and two other buttons, fairly ornate, with designs on them. Little junk ring, had the top fall off of it. It was down in the hole with the ring. It's Mother Mary. There's some little jewels around the outside edges, and then another little piece of bling jewelry, different colored stones. Nothing special. Well, that was that. And then came the silvers and the wheat harvest. And oh, what a harvest! There are 41 wheat cents here. Without further, I might as well just get started on them. Is a 1911, a 1920D, two 1929s, a 1934, a 35, a 36 and a 36D, a 1937, and a 1939, and a 39S. Now, the 40s all seem to be really corroded badly. This is a 1940-something S-Mint. The last number is just gone. I got 1940, 3 1941s, a 42, 5 1944s, 2 45s, 2 47s, 3 48s, 2 49s, and a 1950S. A 51 and a 51D, a 52, 3 1953Ds, 2 1955s, and a 56D. That was by far the greatest wheat harvest I've ever had. It just kept coming and coming and coming and coming out of the ground. Along with all the wheat, I got a 1930 Buffalo, a 1940 S Jefferson nickel, a 47, and a 56D. Also, as you saw, I pulled out this coin. It says Island 1 IR on it, 1953. This is a coin from Iceland. Really, really neat to find. And then, for one of the best silver days I've had, total-wise anyway, 5 silvers. I got a 1951 plain, a 1950 Denver, a 45 Philadelphia War Nickel, a 43 Philadelphia War Nickel. After I cleaned that scratch isn't so bad on there. And then a 1944 P. I was hoping for a 42 and get all 4 war nickels. That would have been great. But coming across with 3 and 2 rosies and all these wheats, beautiful, beautiful. I still got a backyard to do at this place, but there's no way it's going to top this side yard. Alright, thank everyone for watching, and my next hunt is going to be in Lewistown, PA. The International Coin Shooters are having their fall hunt there. It's my first time doing something like this, so hopefully I'll get some goodies while I'm out there, make some friends, and we'll see you when it's all over. Thank you for watching, good luck, and happy hunting.